Hello and welcome to the beautiful day in Wicklow. This is my favourite spot of all time. In the previous episode, Hunting Wicklow Nuggets Part 8, I had said, that's it, done, not coming back here anymore. It's such a nice day and the big rivers I want to work still have way too much water. I just brought the basics. I have the sucker tube, rake, shovel and of course I have my pitchfork. I built a dam just upstream, I'll show you that later on, and that has a lot of clay in it, and that's just to stop any of the gravel from washing down and getting back into this hole. What I'm really after is that orange colour clay. That's where the gold is. So now that we've got the ground rotavated, what we're now going to do is put the gravel into the bucket here. Yeah, we're getting into the nice clay material there. Yeah, I think that'll do. Perfect. Right, just gonna move you downstream a bit so you can actually see this from a different angle. All we'll do is give her a quick bounce, rattle, shake it out. As you know, there's a lot of clay here. Again, if you find this location and you see all this clay, you're more than welcome to run it, but from my experience, it's just not worth the hassle. I'm trying to find that iron-rich material. There she is there. Oh yeah, that's nice. There we go. That's the colour we're looking for. I'll just give you a quick shot of what I've found so far in terms of test panning. Should I find somebody else where I'm not on my own light. So that's the gold there. There we go, that looks about good. So we can see the process of filling the buckets there, and we can see that we're catching gold there. Happy days. So yeah, the plan now is just crack along with it. This is the same sluice at the last stage. It's the NWV4. This is the auto feeder. So just going to open up a little bit more, let that go on through. So you can see where it's feeding dirt into the sluice box automatically. So the beauty of this setup is I don't have to stand beside the box. Right, so I'm clearing off this section of bedrock. This is just behind where, you know where I normally sit down and I do my panning. Bedrock there, gold gets caught in between. So all I'm doing, just using a little scraping tool, pick these up cheap enough. I think Home Store and More have these. I'm not sponsored by it, but I picked this up for about €1, I think. So I'm gonna try where possible. I don't want to get a bulk from everything. I can see where the bedrock wall is there, which is brilliant. I'm seeing that now, but I want to just get stuff specifically from the crack. So I want to know, is this bedrock crack here actually catching gold? If it is, happy days. I came up all layered up as usual, and I got here instantly stripped down to my t-shirt, and that's all I've been wearing all day. So we're just going to try and get material from that pocket. Again, there is material off to the side. We don't necessarily want that. Just want this material on this pocket here. And again, be sure to wash off the rocks fully. Quick check for nuggets. No, not yet. I'll get there. I think this is broken bedrock. Oh yes. Oh yes, please. Now I want to try not to let water in there, because then it'll just wash the gravel further down. Then we'll have to sucker tube it out. Look at the mineralization on that. I'm going to crack on with this and I'll come back to you in a few minutes when I have this relatively clear pan full. Let's see if we can actually find nuggets today. Let's go find a nugget. Nice and violent, as if there's nuggets here. I want to know. Wow, that is some nice looking dirt. If dirt can look nice, that's nice looking dirt. I'm gonna work this pretty quickly down and see where we're at. Again, I don't sell this, no interest, no use to me whatsoever to put gold in this. Is I want to find where the gold is. So let's have a look here. The pan was clean, made sure of that. Anything in here? Yeah, one small piece of gold. Hopefully you can see that properly. So given the fact that we've only found a small bit of gold, dam off a section there, use a sucker tube and just suck everything. Shovel, suck, whatever I can do, get it all out and just process it. Right, let's crack on with it. Let's go find the shiny. I'm going to try and actually just work my way down the sidewall of this bedrock section, because you would assume bedrock being the lowest point when you get good gold. Might even try that little crack we were working earlier. Yeah, this could be nice. Oh, that could be very nice. So Just gonna work this on down. Yeah, this is good. Now to get right into that gravel. Because I've already sliced up the ground with the rake, what I'm going to do now in a few minutes after I bounce this is I'm going to come in with the shovel and just work the gravel more. The circuit tube is fantastic at getting the crevices, but a shovel, if you can get a full load, a lot quicker. So I'm just going to bounce this cast iron through. It's got some nice dark material in it. Nice and clear. Easiest way, obviously, just bounce it. Oh wow. A black rock with quartz in it. Now that's something different I haven't seen before. So what I'm going to do is go crack on with that, and I'll come back to you in a few minutes when we're at the sluice box next. Let's go find the shiny. 2. Trail 3. 4. There you go, gone. Right, here's the advantage. Leave that alone. So now I'm walking back down to the hole I'm working. And now we're going to back upstream. And look at that. Most of it's gone through already. A little bit got stuck off to the side. Give it a quick nudge. Boom, she's gone. Instead of me having to wait 30-40 seconds for that to run through, I've gone off and get another bucket. And I can run more material. So you see the advantage now of this. So I won't have you watch this entire process. But yeah, overall it's very good. I like this auto feeder. Right, I'm crack on with this. Let's go find the shiny. So we're going to head up to the sluice box now, and we're going to clear it out. I've obviously to take these tailings, see where they are washing down, but I've got clay to stop them washing too far. I'm going to scoop these out, put them up on the bank, and then what we're going to do now is to clean out the sluice. As with before, if you've seen any videos of this, me doing this before, I'll just make sure that this has got everything run through. Any gold here, we want to catch it all. So I get these big rocks out of the way first. I'm going to make sure this strap is clear so it doesn't get caught in any rocks. And all I'll do is just pick up underneath here and straight up. Oh, we've got gold in the box. Oh, nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 loads. Just park this off to the side. Excellent stuff. I kick this hopper feeder out of the way. Just going to take the camera off my head for a second. So let's have a quick look at this. We got gold there. We got gold there. Nice little piece there. A very nice piece there. There's gold everywhere. Happy days. So gold absolutely everywhere. So what I'm going to do is going to clean out the sluice box now, and once I have the sluice box cleaned out, then I'll come back to you for the final pan down. Let's clean out the box and let's go find the shiny. Okay, so this is the bucket ready to be cleaned out. This is all of everything that's run through the box. We saw some nice gold there on the actual mat itself, so hopefully that translates to even more gold in here. Right, let's have a go. This one is heavy. Nice heavy pans. Nice and gently. 1, 2. Bring it back. Remember, there was a few pieces of gold on the mat already. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Oh, look at that dark. Look at all the dark material back here, all the iron. Excellent stuff. Loads of lumps of iron up here, even iron ore as well. Okay, getting down to the good stuff now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm starting to see lead shot back here. Happy days. 1, 2. Oh, see a bit of gold up here, so we're going to work this back down again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's probably enough there now. Right, probably a bit too much for the reveal. We'll just have a quick sneak peek at what's there, and then we'll pan this the rest of the way down. We'll just see what gold we can get out of this. Again, I don't sell this. Not in my interest at all to dump gold into this. Go, hey, look at all that gold. As I want to find it, just like you, I want to find where this gold is. We're on Bedrock. We're circuit tubing right out of Bedrock. We're running through a sluice that has production mode. We have the auto feeder, everything works. How much gold have we got today? Have we got gold? How much gold? Is it? Oh, it's been a good day. I'd call that a good day. I'll work that down a bit more in a minute, but yeah, that's not bad. Hopefully there's enough light here so you can see it. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. A lot of gold. There's probably a little bit more in here as well because it's a good bit of lead shot. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to snuffer this gold up out of the way first. And then what I'll do is I'll work that pan the rest of the way down. If there's any more gold, I'll take a picture of it and add it to the video as well. But yeah, that is not too bad at all. So I hope you've enjoyed today's episode of following me washing rocks. There was no specific agenda. I just happened to be out panning and I just happened to have the camera bag with me. I said, you know, I'll just bring it along and bring everyone along for the journey. Hope you've enjoyed this particular style of filming and hope you've enjoyed this particular location. I know I have. Maybe, who knows, I might even see you on this stretch of river someday soon. If you enjoyed this episode, chances are you like the videos I previously posted and the ones we post in the future. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and sure, catch you next one. We can all go. Bye more shiny. Bye bye.